Okay. No, I'm good. Alright, cool. Yo, what's up? What's crackalacking? I've been a long time that I don't post no videos, but been busy with work and all that, but we back. We back, baby. No, not that car. This car. She's a little dirty. She's being a brat lately. I got something, man. Yo, what's up? So yeah, like I was saying, my 550 is being a brat. She's acting up. Then again, I have no luck with these cars, but now I have to do the seals, right, on the motor. I'm trying to find a mechanic that's willing to do it quick for the right price. I had some guy come to my house. He said he was gonna do it here at the parking lot, blah, blah, blah. He was gonna do it for a couple of hours. In a couple of hours, he's gonna have it ready. And then when the guy shows up, then he tells me $1,500. I was like, let's go, let's do it, come tomorrow. The guy shows up, sees the car, then he told me no, it's $3,500. It's like, how you go from $1,500 to $3,500? Oh, cause the engine, different engine. I thought it was an N62, Bro, come on. So it didn't happen with him. I have another guy that's willing to do it for the same amount, $1,500, but I gotta buy the parts. So I have no idea how much are the parts for this car. I have to find those parts so I can get it done. But besides that, I have the check engine light for what is it? Oh, for the oxygen sensor bank 2 and oxygen sensor. I don't know if it's oxygen sensor. I know sensor number 4, bank 4. I think that's what the mechanic said. If I'm not mistaken. So now I gotta do the head gasket, 2 sensors, and I got a light saying that the right low beam malfunction, and also I don't know what you call it. It's not showing up now. When the headlights move, that acts up too. I also have a battery discharge light on. I don't know, I feel like the car is falling apart. So I'm on my way to the mechanic now to see what he can do. To one of the mechanics, different mechanics, because the one that I'm going now, he don't do seals. So I gotta get somebody else. But I'm gonna see what he says. Then I get back to you with news. What's going on, friends? It's a new day. It's a new day. I haven't posted. Yep. So I took the car to the mechanic and a bunch of stuff broke down on the car. Well, I need to replace. Now I have a problem with the headlight. I have a weird noise when I'm driving that I have no clue what it is. I called the mechanic and he thinks it's plastic that's touching the tire, but I cannot tell. I'm gonna try to record, see if it comes out on the video. Yeah, I wanna change the car, but ese carro se ve duro, look. Oh shit. I'm gonna try to see I'm gonna lower the windows. See if you guys can hear it. Shit. Jumping back in place. Let's see. It only happens when I let go of the gas. Wait, let me get out of my parking lot. Oh man, it's super cold out here. Let's see. Only well, okay. I now I hear it when I'm pressing the gas as well. I guess I haven't been driving with the windows down, but it sounds like a plastic is touching the tire. I checked the tires. I got underneath the car, didn't see nothing. Then I don't know. I have no idea what it could be. I was thinking that, or maybe the alternator when they go back, because I also have the little light that says to charge my battery. Every time I get off the car, I turn off the car, I got the light to charge the battery. So I'm thinking it's the alternator maybe. Really, you're gonna so I don't know. At this point, my mechanic recommended for me to get rid of the car. I like the car, but I don't know if I want to spend all the money. I gotta do head gasket. I have to do the right side headlight. It's not working properly. I have to change 2 sensors on the bank number 4 and number 2. The battery problem, I don't know if the alternator or if it's the battery. And yeah, the car has already, I mean, I drove this car a whole lot. This car, I bought it with 80,000 miles. And last year for my birthday, I was supposed to hold this car for 1 year. But I like the car. And the car right now has 107,000 miles. So yeah, I drive a lot. And I live about 40-minute drive from my shop. So it's a big drive. It's a big drive, long drive, I meant to say. So I don't know if I should keep it, fix it, or get something else. I don't know. What do you guys think? Leave a comment. Let me know what I should do. I've been asking this on every video, but some people told me to fix it. When I had just the head gasket, now it's adding more problems. What do you think? Should I switch it? I'm thinking of either the S-Class, not the 2018 S-Class. You know I'm not rich. 2014 S-Class, or maybe Panamera. What do you guys think? Or should I just stay with the car, fix it? Or should I just get the M5? What do you guys recommend? Oh, the charger. I like the charger, the stack pack, or the SRTA. Yeah. I don't know. Let me know.